What RPM is that?
Oh, that's pretty slow right there. It's going 1600.
I'll probably back up if you turn.
Little stainless sort of thing. That program is just going to do that over and over again.
Is it? Okay.